Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button and a bell icon will appear next to it, and then you just have to press that. Also, today I'm going to show you how you can make money online using Clickbank, a simple strategy. I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing and online business. So if you are interested in this type of stuff, then just press the subscribe button, and I recommend to you that you must check out other videos on my channel after watching this video so that you get more and more value about how to make money online. Okay, so let's jump into content without wasting any of your time. Okay, today I'm gonna reveal to you a strategy. This strategy is called using a paid traffic source you can make a Clickbank sale. Okay, so first of all, the first step in the strategy is that you have to select an offer. Okay, so we are going to be using Clickbank for this strategy. So let me jump over Clickbank. Okay, so we came here to the Clickbank Marketplace and just click on Marketplace. Okay, and you are over here. Now what you have to do is select an offer. Whatever offer you want to promote, you just have to select that offer. Okay, so we are targeting e-business and e-marketing for this time, so let's select one of the offer. Okay, so this is one of the hottest selling product for now. Okay, it is known as CB breaks the internet. Okay, so we are going to promote, and it has a commission of $481. That a huge commission you receive only making a single sale. So we will be promoting this offer, and how we will going to promote this offer, that's what I'm gonna reveal in this video. Okay, so just stick till the end. Okay, so just select this offer. This is Clickbank University offer. So this is an affiliate marketing training. Okay, so that is happening over here, and this is the offer which we are going to promote. Just click on the promote button so that you can get the affiliate link. Okay, just click on generate hop link now and just copy it. So we have got the offer, we have got its affiliate link. Now how we are going to promote this offer? Now I'm going to reveal to you a traffic source which is very targeted. Okay, now if you are going to use this targeted traffic in to promote this offer, okay, so all you have to do is go to this website which is known as UDIMI solo ads. Here there are, you can see here there are many of the sellers. Okay, these sellers are selling they have a huge email lists. Okay, and they are selling whatever they their email leads. Okay, so what they do is that you give them your affiliate link. Okay, and they will promote it to their email list. Okay, so see this first one. I can now let's check out this first one. Is known as Qtim Google. I can't pronounce it properly, I'm sorry, but you can see that. Okay, so here you can see that 100 visitors, and you just have to provide your affiliate link over here. Control V. Okay, we gave our affiliate link over here. Now what he charges is $62 for 100 clicks. Okay, that's good, that's a good amount of money. Okay, you can directly give your affiliate offer over here, or I have a really good strategy for you which I'm gonna show you. So just tick. Okay, don't give your affiliate link directly over here. Okay, if you want you can do that, so but it has a very low conversion rate if you give your affiliate link directly to here. Okay, now you can see that this seller is getting a good amount of reviews. You can see that. Okay, and you can see here there are reviews. Okay, there are almost many of the reviews. This is an amazing 43% of good solo ad, good run. All you have to do is check out some of the reviews, and you can know that this is a good seller and you can buy traffic from him. So he charges $62 for this 100 clicks. Okay, 100 visitors. Okay, now what you are going to do is you are going to provide here your landing page link. Okay, come on. So what we have to do is we selected an offer and landing page. Okay, we have to create a landing page. That's really simple, that's really easy. Okay, just search in the YouTube how to create a landing page and collect that email. Okay, that's really easy to make. You can use the website which is called bitlanding.com. I have already given that video in the I button. You can check it out, how to create a landing page and collect email. That's really simple. You just have to do that thing. Okay, after, and what you have to do is provide your landing page link over here. Okay, so whatever visitors this person sends, you put your landing page link over here, and what you do is that you just integrate your landing page and you collect email. And what you are going to do is create an email list using an autoresponder. Okay, so it is really easy. You can use this autoresponder which I use, which is known as get response. It is a 30-day free trial. I have given the link in the description. You can just go and sign up. Okay, it's free for 30 days. And what you have to do is just integrate your landing page with this offer. Okay, integrate your landing page with this autoresponder which is get response. Okay, all you have to do is just that. Okay, and after you integrate your landing page, whatever emails you collect on your landing page, whatever emails you will be collecting here on your landing page will be saved to your autoresponder. And what you can do is you can retarget those customers. Okay, so what you have to do is you just do this and you collect emails, and what you have to do is you have to send follow-up emails for at least 10 days. Okay, so once a customer gives you an email, okay, you receive some visitors to your landing page and they sign up with their emails, and what you have to do is set up an autoresponder and email them for 10 days. Okay, you can just send bulk of emails using this platform which is get response. Okay, that's simple, that's easy, and that's what you have to do. Just send them some of the emails for 10 days. Okay, you can find all those emails in this offer. Just click here on affiliate page and you can get all the email swipes which you require to send. That's simple, that's easy, that's what you have to do. Okay, so that's ready. You got a landing page and you have set the autoresponder. Okay, for 10 days you are gonna target that customer. Now what you have to do is, after the person submits an email, what you have to do is send him to a bridge page. This what this bridge page is, it's just a page which gives you an option of get access. Okay, this is just a page which gives you an offer, get access, and what you have to do is just place this button on this bridge page and just provide your affiliate link over this page, and whoever clicks this get access button on your bridge page just directly goes to this affiliate offer, and if he buys from that affiliate offer you get a commission. And if he does not buy at the first time, what you are going to do is you are going to retarget him using this email. Okay, so what you are going to do is retargeting that customer again using this autoresponder for 10 days. And it is there, many of the time it's possible that the person does not buy in the first chance, but in most of the cases when you retarget a customer, he is more likely to buy a product. And even if you make 2 to 3 sales of this product, you are gonna receive more than $1,000 of commission. So what you are spending here is just $62 for some of the leads. Okay, and what you are doing is collecting their emails and responding them using this autoresponder. Okay, and what you have to do is just select an offer. Okay, we selected an offer which pays a very high commission. What you have to do is create a landing page and collect email. That's really simple. Okay, I have given the link in the I button where you can check out how to create a landing page and set up an autoresponder, integrate it with the landing page. If you don't know how to set up an autoresponder, just go to YouTube and type in how to set up an autoresponder. It's really simple and just takes 2 to 5 minutes to do that. Okay, and you can create a landing page and integrate it with your autoresponder. Then what you have to do is create a bridge page. Okay, what is the bridge page? Bridge page is just the page which gives you access button. Okay, get access. What you have to do is just place a button on that page and write it get access, and just give your affiliate link in the get access button. That's simple, that's easy, and that's the bridge page. And where you are going to sell that customer is to directly to the offer, affiliate offer, using this page. Okay, and if a customer does not buy it first time, you are going to target that customer because you have got his email for 10 days. And what is this what this results into a good rate of conversion. Okay, you are definitely going to make 1 or 2 sales using this method, and you will definitely recover your $62 which you have invested. The only trick to this method is that you have to promote a high ticket offer. Okay, because so that you can make your money back whatever you spend on ads. Okay, if you want, you can buy more clicks. This is 100 clicks. If you want, you can buy this 175, 200, whatever amount of visitors you want, you can buy them. Okay, that's really simple, that's really easy, and this is the strategy which most of the advanced affiliate marketers use. Okay, they use this strategy. What they do is they select an offer, collect the email, send them to bridge page, and then send them to the affiliate offer. If they don't buy at the first time, what they do is they are going to retarget them with their email, because they have collected that email using an autoresponder, just like this. This is a 30-day free trial. Just go to my link down in the description and sign up for it. Okay, that's really simple. Just utilize this platform known as Udemy. Link is in the description. You can just go and buy whatever visitors you want from this website, and all you have to do is just this. If you don't have a Clickbank account, just create one. It's very easy. You just have to provide some of the simple information and you can create a simple Clickbank account. And what I recommend is that you must check out this other videos on my channel, which will also provide you a ton of value about how to make money online with affiliate marketing, as well as there are many other methods to make money online. So if you like my content, if you like this video, then just give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay subscribed, stay happy, and thanks for watching.